Have you opened it yet?
Get opened. I haven't opened it yet.
Who are you?
And I'm Jellybean Joy. Okay. What do we got here? So in one little box, I'll just throw that down. I got some cardboard here. Ooh, let's see the doll. I got the pet shop. Of course, because I have a hamster. And I love hamsters so much. Hello, hello. Let's see the doll. Can you scoot? So, she has blue hair, kind of flexible. She's pretty. No, can you get? She loses her hair. See, there's a little spot for her hair. Can you get off the seat? Ugh. Gotta get this. Okay. And her knees bend. Oh. And her feet also come off. Because there's a shoe store that they can actually put on new shoes. That's really cool. She is a really nice doll. Let's see. This one moves. Does this one? Yes, it does. This one's like this. The other one's just normal. That came with this playset. Ooh, let's open the animals. Woo. Open it up. Ugh. Got it open. Ah, woo! So, there's this little plastic bed. It's quite hard. If you hear that. It's got a nice detail. It has a little notch for the cats or dogs to go in it. Hi, guys. There's this tiny little orange kitten. Got really nice detail. Where's the other doggy? Where's the other doggy? I'm getting milk. Oh, it's in the package. I need to get that. And I forgot to do something, guys. Look. Oh, that's out. I didn't know that. So anyway, we got this black little dog.
With her tongue sticking out?
Yeah, with her tongue sticking out. Oh, this kitty's so cute.
Called the Calico.
Aww. Hey, she's running. Now, Angie, let's focus on the video. This little nice peach dog. Dog. Look, she's running.
Yeah.
And this nice little white kitten. But there is one more dog that I'm going to show probably at the end of the video.
Okay. What's next?
I'm going to open these little accessories. There's a lot in here. Okay, open it up. Whoop. Why is the doggy supposed to be?
No, you don't spill things. Cut the bag all the way over.
No, little kitty. No, I got it. Okay. So, these don't look very detailed yet because I have to put on stickers.
Okay.
So, there's... Is this the turtle cake? No. This is a little food dish. It comes with 4 of them.
Wow.
And it's actually a hole on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
It's really nice.
Cat food?
Yeah, that's what I thought. So there's this little foods that you're supposed to put in this little thing. I don't know how. Is it supposed to go? Yeah. Like this. You can put all 6 of them. One of them is still in the front of the packaging.
Dog treats?
No, they're dog food, Mama. Because it says dog food, not dog treats.
Okay.
So you're trying to scoop it up. I can't do it. And also, this can also close up. So that's really nice. Feed the doggies. So there's these little, I think there's, yeah, fish food. A little fish food. Got 4 of them. We gotta put on stickers. Stickers. And the other 2 cat foods. Okay, let me see what these are. I have no idea what those are.
Don't worry, let's figure out what's all in the thing. That looks like something to assemble.
Yeah. Oh, they're probably for like this. We're gonna put those right there.
Yeah.
Why does nobody? Yeah. Why does nobody want to see? So these are little shampoos. There comes with 4 of them. It has a hole on the bottom. They're green little bottles, and these are everywhere. Okay, there is 4 little foods, little treats, maybe for hamsters, I guess, because some of my hamster things that I get from stores is like in that packaging, so I'm gonna pick all of these up and put it in the scale. This is the nice little scale. It's really nice.
To weigh the dog treats.
Yep. And a display shelf.
Alright. What's next in the box?
Okay. So let's get out more accessories. Ooh, this one has all the pets. This one has some of the little pets. Where's the hammy? Does it have the hamster? It has the hamster. They have a hamster. I'm so excited. They have a guinea pig. No, they don't. This is a little fish. As you can see, that there's the little line on the fish. Let me show you what that line does. It makes the fish swim. It's kind of hard to see, but she's swimming around there.
Going round and round.
Yeah. You can put your finger in.
See now.
Yeah.
Oh no, the fish don't like to be petted.
There.
They lose their tails.
Okay. It's really nice. Has a seaweed. Wait. Can you see? Want to pet it? The hamster! Pet it.
So tiny.
Look at me pet it.
Oh, silly petting a fish.
So the hamster is actually attached to the wheel.
Oh.
And so the hamster can really run. Awesome. It's really running. It's really running. Little hamster is so cute. It's so tiny. Yes, it is.
Is it like my old hamsters from My Little Old Toys?
Mm-hmm.
Littlest Pet Shop?
Yep.
Cute.
And this is a little bath. Probably the cats don't want to go in.
Nope, they don't like that.
It's kind of sparkly. Was this how her arm was? Or like this?
Yeah.
Like this? And the knobs do not move. But that's fine. So we've got some dog leashes. We got 2 of them. Oh, no. We actually got 2 of each color. So really, 4. Huh. I did not know that. Look, she's a flamingo. So what you gotta do is there's a little hole thing that you can put the leash on there, and now it can go for a walk. Da-da-da. There, it comes with 4 of them. Here's a little brush to comb the little animals. That's how it looks on the back. It's really nice. Can you comb the hamsters?
Comb the hamsters?
I do not know what
really
this is for, but I'm pretty sure. Is that a handle? Yes, it is.
Very nice.
It's a handle for the hamster. Okay. So,
Angela, you sink. Sink down, down, down.
So this is one of the kitty collars? Okay. So we're going to put on a little collar on the kitty. And it has the same little dot and a hole. So we got to snap it on. Snap it. Oh, it's tricky because it's so small and skinny. Did I get it? Nope. Well, it's supposed to look probably something like this. Let me see. Little baby kitten. It's really cute. It's a little kitten. One of the food dishes is in the other packaging. And there is 2 blue ones and 2 pink food dishes. Really nice. This is a business scooper. It's a business. No. I'm gonna get out this little packaging. Oh, got it. Got it. Nope, they're collars. I mean, they're leashes, Ange. Get it out. We got it. So, little doggy. This is how the little cat foods is supposed to look with the stickers on. They put the sticker on for you. How nice is that? And there's another little food dish and food that can actually fit in the food dish. That looks really cool. Let's put it back in that little scooper thing. And another collar for a cat or maybe a dog. Who knows? Oh, let's pop this one out. Pop. Okay, and here is one of the dogs.
It's a beagle.
A beetle! A beetle!
No, not a beetle. A beagle.
A beagle. Let me see that beagle.
And not a bagel either.
Hi, bagel.
No, it's a beagle.
So I'm assuming this is the counter with a few other stuff in it because I saw a few other stuff in it. Let's open it up. Play with Mr. Haley. Mrs. Haley. Oh.
What is that?
So this is the little. Oh, now I know what these are. My name is going to be Mrs. Angela. This is a hair thing that you can I think. Her name's going to be Miss Joy. Mrs.
It fell out of there.
So probably not.
We'll have to read directions again.
I don't know.
Okay, what's in there?
Okay, and also this is the stander for this. So it can stand the little shelf. Santa wheel. Why did you say?
We're talking about pet stores now.
This is the little cash register. It's gonna look nicer with the stickers on, because you have to do that yourself. It comes with one pink bag and one purple bag.
Like Shopkins material.
Kinda. It's kinda squishy.
Okay.
And I don't know what these are for, but we will find out.
How to put it together.
Oh, they're for the little display shelf.
Okay.
And this is the little checkout counter.
Oh, nice.
This is the checkout counter. Let's go and check out our food.
Angela,
Pizza.
please don't knock the tablecloth off. Everything else lays off.
And there's a sticker sheet.
There's all the stickers
And-
and directions.
And directions and wood tiles. And this is, where are my scissors? These are
Wait.
the.
Did anybody have a scarf for the dog?
No. Okay. These are the little walls.
This pet shop thing.
You
For
get to
Mommy's
put
My
on
Little Toys. For a penguin.
Look at
the
it.
swan.
It's a penguin
Oh.
star.
So there's little cages here.
Oh, okay.
Pet
Cages.
beds, little toys.
Hey, push the stroll.
That's not a Pooch Patrol.
It's a pound puppy.
And one of these thingies.
Pound puppy. With a pound puppy.
And this thing.
When there's tiny
Little trees.
Pound puppy.
Cardboard. What?
Mommy, puppy is cardboard. I know the pound puppy song.
Pound puppy song.
Yeah, I know
And
it.
on this one, there's like a bunch of fish
When you like
stuff.
control. Called the pound puppy.
Ooh, beautiful
And
fish tank.
Right
Called
here
the pound puppy.
is the cat aisle, I'm assuming.
Hey, you went to a pet store yesterday and saw like the biggest fish ever. He was
Yeah,
giant.
it was just huge. Go check out my channel. You will see it.
Big.
I think it was bigger almost.
This big?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my God.
Another
This
blank
It was so giant.
for the floor. So after we put this all together, we'll show you guys.